So firmware 4 for the Z9 is out, the highlight feature being auto capture. We've recorded some separate videos on auto capture for stills and auto capture for video, showing you how to set that up and get the most out of the auto capture feature. Auto capture is a great way of capturing images and video when you are not by your camera. Firmware 4 on the Z9 also has a range of other features in the update. Let's have a look at those. We've expanded the feature control set you can customize on the camera. So you can now switch eyes and assign that to a button, and exposure delay mode as well. Exposure delay mode enables you to delay the triggering of your image after you've pressed the shutter button. This is really useful if you're doing long exposures on landscape photography. The auto bracketing feature now has finer controls for you to set things like 1.3 and 1.7 and 2.3 and 2.7 exposure stops if you want to set a bracket sequence. 3D tracking has been improved even further, specifically looking and enabling you to track smaller subjects. As a landscape photographer, one of my favourite features is that the distance scale now actually shows the distance you are focused at in feet or meters. This enables you to really fine-tune your focusing and potentially use things like hyperfocal focusing for your landscapes much easier. You can now also change the shutter sounds on the Z9. You have 5 options to choose from, but unfortunately you still can't make it meow like a cat. Pre-release capture has also been updated. It now has a 300-second time limit. Now moving into the video features on the Z9 Firmware 4, when shooting in N-Log, you now have the option of shooting in low 1 or low 2 low ISOs. Previously, you could only shoot at 800 ISO. This now enables you to shoot at effectively 200 or 400 ISO. This is great for getting cleaner output in your video images. High-res zoom has also been updated to give you finer control over the speed at which you can zoom into your image. And finally, we've introduced in-camera slow motion to the Z9. You can record up to 5 times slow motion at full HD. I hope you enjoy all of these new features added to the Z9 in Firmware 4. Auto capture and all of these new features have made the best camera even better. And it just goes to show that Nikon is committed to improving our cameras for our creator community.